Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful granny square with this star or a flower in the center. It is a very simple and it is a very small square. You can use it with whatever project you like. Let's start, shall we? I'm going to use 2.5mm hook size depending on the size of the yarn you are using, and I'm going to start by doing a slip knot. Insert the hook on this side and pull, and then I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do slip stitch in the first chain to close and create my circle. Now chain 1 and let's start the second row. Inside the circle I'm going to work 1 single crochet. Let me show you. This is my first. I need another 7, so a total of 8 in this ring. I have 1, insert inside. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I need 8 single crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut, and then insert the new color at the top of any of the single crochet. This I'm going to pull a bit to close a bit of the ring. Now at any of the single crochet I'm going to insert, and I'm going to start create knot, and then around while working or in the next row I'm going to chain 1, and in the same single crochet I'm going to do 1 single crochet and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the next single crochet again another single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again in the next, and this is my pattern. At each of the previous single crochet you're going to do a single crochet with a chain 5 chain between them. So continue doing this and come for the next row. Now I finished. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet. I work around the white yarn only. Now about this extra one I'm going to work in this row. Now I'm going to do a single crochet in the next chain space. Now check my pattern, and I'm going to repeat it at each of the 5 chain space. I'm going to start by doing 1 single crochet, then half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple, which is yarning twice, insert and pull the first 2, the remaining 2, and then do the opposite. 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single. Again in the next single, half double, 1 double crochet, triple, which is yarning twice, hold the tip of my finger, pull. I have 4 loop, the first 2, remaining 2, the remaining 2, and then a double crochet, half double crochet and a single. I've done 2, I need another 6, so finish them and come again. I'm done, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut. This I'm going to secure it by needle in the outer loop only, and then I'm going to cut. You can do several along all the flower or 1. Now the green Also, the green, I'm going to work on the outer loop, where in this row you're only going to work on the triple. Count 1, 2, 3. The fourth one, which is the triple, you're going to insert at the outer loop, this loop. You're going to insert the yarn. Create my knot. And then I'm going to start by doing one chain, and then in the same spot I'm going to work one single crochet. After the one single crochet, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3, and work in the next one, which we're going to do a cluster of 3 triples. So I'm going to yarn twice at the outer loop only, first 2 and the next. Don't pull the last 2 remaining. No, stop and work again a triple, the first 2 and the remaining 2. Again, don't stop, do another triple, only the first 2, 1 and 2. Now I have 4 loop. I'm going to pull through all, chain 2 and repeat as if I'm working a triple. This is 1, this is the second triple, only the first 2 loop. Again, now I have 4 through all 4. 1, 2. Again, I'm going to repeat in the same loop. You're going to do, yes, a bit tight, but make it work. Now I have 4 through all, and this is my corner, and you're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and do what? A single crochet in the outer loop. And this is my pattern for this row. You're going to do one single and this cluster. If you want, repeat again to see how I work this corner. Finish them and come for the last row. I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut. Now I'm going to start in the corner, which is this one. Insert at the top, the new color. And I'm going to work 3 chain, represent 1 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, work around your yarn. Again, the same spot, 2 double crochet, this is 1, another 1 double crochet, chain 3, 3 more double crochet in the same spot, the top of the cluster, the middle cluster. Now in the next here you're going to work 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Here you're going, in the next space you're going to work 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You're going to work 1 double crochet at the top of the previous single crochet. Again, in this space you're going to work 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this space you're going to work what? 3 double crochet. Here 3. And this is my pattern. In the top of the cluster, the middle cluster, you're going to work a 3 chain 3, and then here 3 double crochet, here 4, 1 double in the previous single, 4 and 3 chain, and repeat. So finish them and come for the last part. I'm done. I'm going to slip stitch in the third chain, chain 1 and cut, and you're going to fasten off using the needle. I stopped at this part, at this row, but obviously you can add another row of double crochet at the top of each previous to a double, and in the corner 2 double, 2 chain, 2 double. And this is my square. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.